Today, we're going to unbox these two latest release models, CANVAS 12 and 16 2021. Now let's check out CANVAS 12 first. The pen display, the adjustable stand, a digital pen, and pen holder, where you can find a nib clip and 10 spare pen nibs inside. And here we have an artist guide and user manual. And this is the 3-in-1 cable and the extension cable. Now let's move on to CANVAS 16. Also, we have a pen display, an adjustable stand, a digital pen, a pen holder, artist guide, user manual, 3-in-1 cable, an extension cable. And as far as the accessories are concerned, the differences are that CANVAS 16 2021 comes with an USB-C to USB-C cable, which is not included in the package of CANVAS 12.
And you can also find a power adapter.
Well, that is CANVAS 16 2021 and CANVAS 12. CANVAS 12 boasts 11.6 inch in panel size and is available in two colors, Starfish Orange and Cosmo Black. And the one we have today is Starfish Orange, which is totally new to the market. As for CANVAS 16, it's 15.6 inch in size and also comes in two colors, Twilight Blue and again Cosmo Black. And what we have today is Twilight Blue. Before use, we need to remove the protective film on the surface. As I have told you, the CANVAS pen displays, including CANVAS 12, 13, and 16, are all usable on Android, which is considered to be a feature of the CANVAS series. Now we're gonna connect the Android phone to the pen display with this Type-C to Type-C cable. As power of the Android phone is insufficient to run the pen display, actual power supply enabled by the 3-in-1 cable or phone charge cable is needed. Just imagine what it feels like to have your drawing and work done on such a slim pen display with your phone connected when you are outdoors. So convenient, right? Now let's have it connected to the PC. Both CANVAS 12 and 16 can be connected to the PC with either a 3-in-1 cable or a Type-C to Type-C cable. Here we need to make sure we use the lower Type-C port on the pen display. All done with only one cable. So easy. Besides the panel size, CANVAS 12 and 16 share the same technical specifications, 1920 by 1080 high definition to ensure smooth visual experience. IPS screen that enable a viewing angle of 178 degrees, 120% sRGB color gamma, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio. Everything can be told from the lifelike color presentation and smooth gradation on the screen. What's more, the screens of CANVAS 12 and 16 are both full laminated, where there is no air gap between the IPS screen and the protective glass on the top. We can see the cursor always follow tight to the pen nib without any obvious parallax. Both products are equipped with the latest battery-free digital pen of Huion, P3517, which enables a more comfortable grip, constant rendering of lines without obvious lagging. P3517 also recognizes to brush at angles ranging from -60 to 60 degrees, which is helpful to enable a series of burst effects. And similar to CANVAS 13, both CANVAS 12 and 16 can be used under the pen tablet mode. To activate the pen tablet mode, we need to switch off the screen and then reconnect the USB cable, where you can find the power consumption is reduced, and therefore to enable a longer battery life. Finally, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed that besides the panel size, the number of press keys on the side are also different. There are 8 press keys on canvas 12, which is the same as that of canvas 13. While on canvas 16, you can find 10. Perhaps that's the benefit brought by a larger panel size, I think. Now we are almost done for the unboxing today, and we can see that from the product design to the technical specifications and hands-on experience, both canvas 12 and 16 are amazingly impressive. If you have the plan to buy a new pen display, you are in the right place for suggestions. And that's it, the canvas series. And what you need to do is decide which panel sizes meets your request most, 11.6 or 15.6 inch. Alright, that is all for the unboxing of canvas 12 and 16 today. See you next time. Bye bye.